darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the vision suffering with me left this heart from our walls sleeping, and the vision that was born in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless weeks I walk alone, down the streets of cold stone. If there were no hopeless street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. Let my eyes will stand by the flash of the neon light, the street at night. There's a sound of silence, and in the naked light soul, and constant people waiting for, people talking without speaking, people living without listening, people buying songs that voices never share, and no one did disturb the sound of silence. Voices running through the cold, silence like an answer through. Give my words that my heart with you, let my hands have my mind with you, but my words are silent raindrops fell, and echo in the wilderness of silence.